Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in guys. Greatly appreciate your support and great to see the viewers subscribing, and also great to see viewers from all over Australia and all over the world. I'm really greatly appreciative of it, guys, and I hope it's helping you through your mathematics. I hope it's helping you navigate through your mathematics as you move forward with it. It's a great topic, and it's great that if it does give you that little bit of clarity, then I'm grateful. What we've got today is we're looking at surface area, and what I've drawn on the board, or at least my attempt, is to draw a rectangular prism. And as you can see, we did speak about rectangular prisms and surface areas the other time, but I just wanted to take it a little bit further. Again, this is a classic example of a 3D representation of a model, and an example of what you might get on an exam. Okay, so again, it's a rectangular prism. Even though the sides are square, the base is the rectangle. There's the base, or the base has a rectangular shape to it. So 4 meters by 2 meters. Okay, and it's obviously made up of a front. It's made up of a back. It's made up, as we said, of the base and of a top, and the right side and the left side. Now, with that in mind, what I want us to go through and have a look at is to work out the surface area of this rectangular prism. And what we can say is, like we said, I'm just going to write it here. It's made up of a base. There's our base. It's made up of a top. I'm just going to write it up there. It's made up of a back. That's the back through there. Just as you see it through there. It might be difficult to see it at the moment, but as you look through it, it's made up of a side, or the right side if you like, and it's made up of the other side, the left side if you like. Okay, I'll just write that a bit better in there. Now, if we look at it further, it has a length of 4 meters, it has a width of 2 meters, and it has a height of 2 meters. So with that information in mind, let's go through and have a look at dissecting this, and draw a pictorial view of the surface area. So let's talk about, it's made up of the base, which we know, the base, which is 4 meters by 2 meters. So we know it's 4 meters by 2 meters. And before I go on further, remember we spoke about the units. So we know the units are going to be in meters. That's very important. It's made up of meters. If one of the units were out, we would have to change it. Or if one of the units were in centimeters and the answer was required to be in meters, then we'd have to go through and change it, which we saw on our conversion table from our previous session. So let's put that, probably B, that's an A. Okay. So it's made up of a base. This base is 4 meters times 2 meters. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's made up of 8 meters squared. Okay. Plus, it's made up of a top. The top is the same. So it's also, I just want to put these in like this for the moment, just so that you can appreciate. I'm just going to write base there, and I'm going to write top there. Even though the base and the top are exactly the same, I just want to write it for you so that you can appreciate all the sides that make up this surface area. And the top is also going to be 4 by 2 as well. So I'm just going to say 4 by 2 is equal to 8 meters squared. Plus, it's made up, so we've got the base, we've got the top. Let's take the side. It's made up of a side. So I'm just going to say side. 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is equal to 4 square meters, 4 meters squared. If you want to say the right side, let's say the right side, just to make it a bit simpler. That's the right side. Left side, just make sure it looks like a square so it doesn't confuse you, or something like that. So left side, again, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, which is equal to 4 meters squared. Okay, so we've got our base, we've got our top, there it is there, there it is there, we've got our right side, we've got our right side, and it's made up of, I forgot to put the word front, if you want to think of it, the front as well. Okay, it's made up of the front and it's made up of the back. Plus the front I'm just going to call it front, which is 4 by 2 meters. The length, oh sorry, yeah, made up of the front. So we'll say the 4 meters by the 2 meters, okay? Same thing. In this instance, it's 2 meters, but the height is 2 meters, okay? 2 meter height, so 4 by 2 meters. 4 meters by 2 meters is equal to 8 meters squared. Plus the back. The back. Which is also 4 meters by 2 meters, which is equal to 8 meters squared. So the base is 4 meters by 2 meters, we know is 8 meters squared. The top is also 8 meters squared. The right side is 4 meters squared. The left side is 4 meters squared. The front, this front part here, is 2 meters squared. Oh, sorry, is 8 meters. My apologies. Is 8 meters squared. The back part is also 8 meters squared. There we are. There we have it. So if we add all these up, 8, 8, 8, and 8. So 8 fours are 32. So there's 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 fours are 32. So that's 32 meters squared. Plus 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, which is 8 square meters, which is equal to a total surface area. Surface area equals 8 meters squared. Oh, my apologies, sorry about that. Sorry, it's 40 meters squared. Oh, 40, sorry about that. 40 meters squared. Okay, so it's made up of 32 plus the 8, which is 40 meters squared. So that's a total surface area. So the total surface area of this rectangular prism is 40 meters squared. Now, I just wanted to draw it like this for you, because that way you can actually dissect this rectangular prism. That way, if you are unsure on an exam, then at least writing it out like this will make it that much easier for you. Okay, so what we will look at next time is we will actually have a look at the net diagram of a rectangular prism. In other words, how we unfold it. So it's almost like unfolding the sides, unfolding the back, and unfolding the top. And that'll give us another way of navigating through rectangular prisms, and more so understanding surface areas. But as I say, having this understanding will help you move further forward finding surface areas. Okay guys, again I just want to say thank you very much to all the viewers, and thanks for those watching from Australia, and thank you to those that are viewing from overseas. I'm very greatly appreciated. See you guys, bye.